What does that say?
From your grandson.
That's right, from your grandson. Can you read your message?
Happy birthday.
What does this part say?
Happy birthday.
And this?
And just as lucky as can to be.
And I sure know it too.
Cause
Only
very lucky kids have grandmas as nice as you.
That's right. And then, what does this say?
Happy birthday. Yes.
Happy birthday to who?
I love you.
I love you, Nona. Can you show Nona happy?